Battery earlier, and she's like, it's not working. I flip it over and put it right in.
Why you gotta expose me like that?
I'm gonna start a show. It's called Exposed.
What are we doing, guys? We're on our way to Catalina. Start the trail tomorrow. We're waiting for the Catalina Express. We're smart because we're still inside. We're on a boat. We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
Lauren and I have two that are in between that size.
Oh yeah, why are you guys buying that?
Katie threw ours away.
That honestly looks like it hurt a little bit.
Didn't.
It didn't?
It was fun.
Can we offer to switch them beds? They can have ours.
Why?
Our bed sucks.
Why?
It's too soft.
That thing is so firm. What do you mean?
I like it. It reminds me of when I used to sleep on the ground.
You just said, oh, you mean this? Take this bed home. You mean.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant switch
What the hell
beds
are you
with
talking
them and get that bed. But I think it's the same bed.
It is the same bed, Lauren. That would make perfect sense. You're not allowed in bed. Dude, should we go play some b-ball on that court?
Dude, we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Oh. Should we play some b-ball in the street?
Ah, you broke to the street, son.
What are you doing?
What?
What do you want?
I'm just hanging out with you.
No, you're not.
You don't want me to hang out with you?
Nope.
Oh, it's awkward. Alright. She's on there?
She's freaking on there.
Nice.
Now hopefully I won't get a blister marijuana.
Like last time.
Like on the side.
Nice.
I have to help you.
Day one, guys. This is my last time sleeping in a bed for what, 4 days? 5 nights? I don't know.
5 minutes.
Also, I have a pimple, so not that it's gonna matter later.
Sounds like you're excited.
I'm excited to eat my muffin, and then I'm nervous for the hike, so let's see what happens. Deciding what snacks you're gonna take?
I don't know about these.
What the?
I take those.
What kind of Pop-Tarts did you guys get?
I have 2 packs strawberry, 2 packs raspberry.
Nice. Are you ready, Jordy Bean?
Yeah?
Did you shave? Oh, you? Can you shave it? You look more clean shaven than you did yesterday.
Don't lose your dinosaur.
Never lose your dinosaur. It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer. All geared up, ready to go. Do you think I fit through this doorway? My pack is a solid 37 pounds. We're ready to go. Ready? Alright, my back will be broken in 2 hours. Got it. Oh my gosh, this is so steep. And we're off.
Wait. No, wait.
What?
You can't leave without ever.
Oh. I think we start on this road.
So, Arista? I need a clear response.
Make sure you stop.
What?
Look both ways.
Don't want to get hit by one of these golf carts.
Here we go.
Just get on the top of this one.
First hill.
And then we'll choke a little. There's Avalon.
Quick one, we gotta get on the top of this
That's
hill.
where we started. Well, let us continue. Made it to the top of the second largest hill of our trip. And that wasn't easy. That's all I gotta say. How do you guys feel?
Feeling pretty good.
Hot.
It is super duper hot. Mr. Bean?
I find that offensive.
Why?
I'm offended.
You're Mr. Jordy Bean. Well, let me feel it.
No, it's mine. It's nice and cool.
Thank you. You're cool. I'm cool too.
This is, no, now we know you're lying.
Bison are dangerous. But danger is my middle name. Ooh, let me zoom in. Oh, let's zoom in.
Pretty excited for my Cheetos later.
So you're not gonna eat them right now?
No, I'm gonna eat them in the middle.
3.2 miles in of our 11-mile day. That was pretty tough. Alrighty, just gonna take a break.
That's water.
Let me put that in my blog. Full moon tonight, boys.
We just hang out here all day. We're having so much fun.
Yeah, I think we should. Dude, what time is it?
I'll never know.
No, what time is it?
Cheeto time.
Cheeto time, Cheeto time, Cheeto, Cheeto, Cheeto. Cheeto time. The only other bathroom on the trail. Yay. Cheeto time, Cheeto time. Halfway done with today. Let's go check out the bathrooms. So far we haven't seen any bison, But we're looking forward to it, or at least I am, because I haven't seen one for a long time. How are the bathrooms looking?
Pretty clean.
Yes. Bathroom time, bathroom time, bathroom time. Nice. First little bison. There he is. Just chilling. Is it him or is that a rock? Wait. Oh, that's him. That's him, not a rock. First little bison. It's the first little bison song.
He's using his technology.
There he is. What should we name him?
Yeah, you guys are way too late to the naming party.
Carl Beavis.
You wanna see?
Oh shoot, yeah. Why are they here again, Edwin?
They were brought here for a movie a long time ago.
And
And
they
they
were
just left them here because it was too expensive to take them back.
crazy. It looks like just a little rock.
Great.
Hi, Carl Beavis. Mile 9. That's what that little post says.
I'll catch up with you guys.
Pretty much dying. About a half a mile ago, I started having a panic attack because I ran out of water, and we were going up a large hill.
On the first day.
We're here at this little picnic area. Went to go fill my water, and it turns out I had just put it in upside down. So, yeah, still have water. That's good. And this was all full of water, but thank God for this little pouch. So my clothes are still dry. Cool.
Well, and Jordan's out of stick.
Oh yeah, Jordan, what happened to your pole?
It broke.
Why?
Too heavy.
Is that a fat joke? Your pole just did a fat joke on you, dude. Alright, mile and a half to go. Edwin says we just have to hike down to that lake and then hike all the way back up to those trees. So, we finished day 1. We're finally at the campsite. Just waiting for Katie. Oh my gosh. 11 miles down. However many more to go. Katie's pulling up right now for the first time. Me and Jordy are here. Edwin went back to go get Katie. And here he comes.